Hi everyone, my name is Christian, I'm 35 years old and I'm an organic apple farmer in a small German-speaking region in northern Italy in the middle of the beautiful Alps. Quite a long sentence. The short version is I take care of more than 6,000 apple trees, and this is the short story about me and the coronavirus. Well, Italy always had the most radical rules in everything, I guess, and so also in this case with the coronavirus. Social distancing in Italy means that no one is allowed to leave their own property except one person per family to get some food, of course, and people working in the food and health system. So guess what? I'm also allowed to leave home because I'm a farmer working in the food system. And that's good because nature or the vegetation doesn't care about the coronavirus. So in this case, being a farmer comes along with some privilege, and therefore nothing really changed for me with this coronavirus, except some weird, scary things like empty roads. Where usually many thousand cars and tourists pass by every day, and people avoiding me, changing roadside, as they would die instantly if I come too close. And since spring is a very work-intensive time in the apple season, I had a lot of work to do the last 2 months. So with this video, I just want to say thank you to all farmers out there supplying us with food. Thank you guys for your hard work. And a special thanks goes to my father, which stuck in homework, had a lot of time to help me. Grazie papà. Bye bye everyone and stay healthy. Ciao.